Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, here I have opened my phone, and if you want to split screen on your phone, you have to select application that you want to open in split screen view. And for example, I'm going to open my calculator with my calendar at the same time. So we can just click on the application like this, and we're going to click on the recent button. Okay, and here we can tap on the calculator icon, and there will be several options for us, and we have to select open in split screen view. Okay, and since I want to open calculator with calendar, I want to click on the calendar application to open them at the same time. Okay, and as you can see that now my screen has been splitted, and you can customize the screen by tapping on this line like this. You can tap and hold on the line to adjust the screen. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can split screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.